Once again, good morning, everybody, and welcome to our science class. So for today's lesson, we will continue chapter 3 with the life cycle of flowering plants. So for the last 2 weeks, we already discussed the life cycle of the flowering plants and also the stages or the 3 stages of the flowering plants, okay? Who would like to tell me what are the 3 stages of the life cycle of a flowering plant? Anyone? Does anyone would like to tell me what are the 3 stages in the life cycle of a flowering plant? What's the first stage? Seed. Number 2?
Seedling.
Seedling. And number 3 is?
Adult plant.
Adult plant. Okay, so again, first stage of the life cycle is seed. Second stage is seedling, and third stage is adult plant. Okay, so remember, class, remember, when the adult plant grows flowers, so that's the time that the flowers will help the plant to reproduce. How? The flowers, they are responsible for producing new plant, okay? So they can make seeds which can grow into new plants. But how? So a fruit comes, or the fruit comes from a flower, or the fruit forms from a flower. And then a fruit holds and protects the seeds, okay? Again, the fruit forms from a flower, and fruit also holds and protects the seeds. And also, the seeds help to spread the new seeds to its new place. Okay? So now, what I'm going to show you is the homework that I gave you from last week. So let's try to answer this one. I know you have your workbook with me, but all you have to do is just to listen and then just look at my screen.
No, I have my workbook.
Yes, I know your workbook and your textbook is with me right now.
No, I have it.
Oh, you have it? Oh, okay, so you
Yes.
did. Oh, okay, that's fine. All right, so last week I gave you a homework, which is to match the seeds to the correct adult plant, right? Let me find it. Hold on.
I didn't done.
It's okay, no problem. Let's just go ahead and answer the following seeds. Okay, so we have.
I did it too done. What number page, teacher?
Oh, do you?
Oh, this seed. What number page?
For those who has their workbook, you can open on page. Let me check. 1 second.
I know this seeds.
Page 18. For those who has their workbook, you can open it on page number 18.
I know this seeds.
And for those who hasn't, you can just listen and just look at my screen, okay? Or look at your screen. All right, so class, on this picture, we have 4 different seeds, okay? So we have 4. Yes.
I know these seeds. It's sunflower seeds.
Yes, I know. We will match this together, okay? All right. So we have 4 different seeds, and we also have 4 different adult plants or the fruit, okay? So we have seed A, seed B, seed C, and seed D, and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 adult plant or fruit. So for letter A, class, seed A, what do you think matches with this seed? What number?
2.
Okay, so what is this? Seed of a
It's
what?
Seed of sunflower seeds.
Yeah, it's a sunflower seed, so that's good. And what about for letter B? What kind of seed is this?
It's a corn seeds. Number 3.
Corn, number 3, okay. And
It's
what about
corn
for letter
seeds.
C?
Mangoes.
Mangoes?
Number 4.
Is this not mangoes, class? Somtam. Somtam.
Sometimes.
The main ingredients
I
in
don't know.
somtam.
This one is number 4.
Okay,
It's
so what fruit is this?
Sometimes seeds.
No.
Sometimes seeds.
What fruit is this? Does anyone know what fruit
Papaya
is this?
seeds.
Papaya
Papaya.
seed. So this is papaya seed, okay? And letter D.
And then
What about letter D?
number 1. 1.
What's number 1?
I don't know this yet.
Number 1 is starts with letter P.
Potatoes.
No,
Peanut.
peanut. Okay, so number 2 is
Peanut.
peanut seed.
Okay. Know that. My friend's very good.
All right, so number 1, oh no, letter A, we have sunflower seed. Now, letter B, we have corn seed. Letter C, we have the papaya. Papaya, how, how do you spell papaya?
Papaya. Hair. ภาษาไทยแปลว่าส้มตับ
A-P-A-Y-N-A. Papaya seed. Okay. And letter D, we have the peanut seed. All right.
ถั่วเนี่ย
So again, class, remember, a fruit helps to hold and protect the seeds, okay? And also, a fruit helps to spread the seeds to its new place. So remember that. All right, now let's proceed to this activity. Hold on, let me share it to you. Just give me 1 second.
1 0 1 Hurry up.
Okay, let me share this to you.
Hurry up. Stop.
Okay, so let's proceed to this experiment. Okay, I'm gonna explain this to you, class. So all you have to do is just to listen and keep quiet and turn off your microphone, okay? And then just look at my screen. All right, so we have this experiment for seed germination. So we have a question here. Otto, can you read this question?
What conditions are suitable for germination?
Germination. Okay, so what conditions are suitable for germination? That means what are the things needed of the seed to germinate? Okay, so first is I'm going to show you a video. This is all about experiment for seed germination. So I want you to pay attention in this. Hold on. Watch and listen.
What do plants need to grow? This experiment will tell us the needs of plants in order to grow. Materials. We need plastic cups, mung bean seeds, water, and cotton. One, soak mung bean seeds in a bowl of water overnight. You need to do this in advance. On the next day, the mung bean seeds will look like this. Number 2. Label your cups A, B, and C. Number 3. You need to put cotton in each cup. Number 4. Spray some water inside the cup. You can use a sprayer if you have at home. You can also use your hand if you don't have a sprayer. Just dip it in the water and sprinkle some water inside the cup. Number 5. Put around 10 pieces of mung bean seeds inside the cup. Do it on cups A, B, and C. Place cup A outside. Water it every day. Place cup B outside. But remember, don't water it. Place cup C inside your house. Water it every day. These are my plants A, B, and C. On day 2. Today is day 3. Day 4. Let's visit our plants A, B, and C. Day 5. Let's look at them. This is cup A. This is cup B. Look at the plants, it's already dry. And this is cup C. For this experiment, I want to give you some questions that you can think about. What can you say about cup A? How about cup B? Why are the plants dry? What do you think they need? about cup C? Why are the plants light green in color? What do you think they need? Plants need air, sunlight, space to grow, water, and nutrients.
Okay, so that's the experiment for seed germination. As you can see, there are 3 samples, right? Sample A, sample B, and sample C. So now let's try to apply that experiment in our lesson this morning. Okay, so let's go back to our science textbook. So earlier we have a question. What conditions are suitable for germination? So first step, we have to, let me call someone to read it. Bowie, can you read this part?
Cotton wood thick,
Soak,
soak in water in 3 small dishes.
labeled,
Labeled A, B, and C to dry cotton wool in dishes D.
okay, so I'm gonna read one more time. Place cotton wool soaked in water in 3 small dishes labeled A, B, and C, and dry cotton wool in dish D. So for those who has a book, that's on actually page number 28. Okay.
May I go to the toilet, please?
Yes, you may. Okay, so we have dish A over here. And then we have the dish B, and then we have dish C, and we have the dish D. Okay, so in this case, we are using, or the book used to illustrate the experiment using the dish. Okay, so A, B, and C, it has, or it have wet cotton wool. So meaning to say this one has water, water. And then for dry cotton wool, it doesn't have water, no water. A, B, C have water, letter D don't have water, okay? All right, so let's proceed to step number 2. Step number 2, Ashita, can you read step number 2, this one?
Okay. Here's about 3 green bean seeds in each dish.
Very good. So number 2, we have to place about 3 green bean seeds in each dish. So in the video, the lady put 10 beans, but in this experiment, we only using, or we have only 3 green beans, okay? All right, so let's proceed to procedure number 3. Pakay, can you read number 3?
Plants did A and D in a well lit room. Plants did
Place.
be in place. Did be in a dark
Dark.
room. Dark room. Plants
Place.
did place did
Dish.
see
Ano mo
in
siya? Dish na
Ditch.
dish.
dish. See in the freezers.
Ah, very good. So number 3, Place dish A and D in a well-lit room. Place dish B in a dark room and place dish C in the freezer. Okay, for dish A and D, they have light, they have water, and they have air. And then for dish B, they have, dish B has water, air, but no light. Okay, no light. And then for C, have water, no sunlight, because it's inside the freezer. So letter C, the condition or the surrounding of the dish C is very cold because it's inside the freezer. Okay, now let's try to find out. Number 4, Nemo. Can you read number 4?
Number 4, keep the cotton wool wet in dish A, B, and C.
Okay, so in procedure number 4, keep the cotton wool wet in dishes A, B, and C. That means we have to put water in wet or in wool or in dishes A, B, and C. So we have to put water in a cotton wool for dishes A, B, and C. And then for number 5, observe the seeds every day for about 5 days and record your observation. Now, let's try to take the 4 dishes, okay? Let's try to find out the condition. All right, for letter A has a water or no water? Dish A, me water, my, or no? Does it has water for dish A?
Yeah, need.
Yes, it has. What about for letter B? Does it has water?
Yes.
Yes, letter B has a water. What about for letter C? Dish C, does it has water?
Yes.
Yes. And what about for letter
Yes.
D?
Yes. Yes.
No, for letter D, dry cotton don't have a water. All right. Now for letter A, dish A, have light?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What about for dish B? Does it has light?
No. No.
No. Okay. What about for letter C? Does it has light?
No too. Yes.
Look at, it's inside the freezer.
No.
No. What about letter D?
Letter
Does it
D?
has light?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And class, warm means hotness or heat. Okay. When you say warm, it's ron, hotness or heat. Okay.
No.
Yes. Letter A, does it has warmth? Is there hotness or
No.
sunlight? Sunlight or anything that makes it makes the seed warm. It has. Look at the picture. And then for letter B, dish B, does it has warm or hotness?
No.
No. Okay. What about letter dish C? Does it has warm? The condition, is it warm? No.
No. It's cold.
Yeah, that's good. It's cold. What about letter D? Does it has a warmth?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now let's try to answer this question by yes or a no, okay? So in dish A, do you think
Yes.
did it germinate? Yes or no?
Germination.
Did it germinate well for dish A?
No.
Yes, yes, it's a
Yeah.
yes class because it has water, it has light, it has
And worm.
warmth. Okay. What about for letter B? Did it germinate? Yes or no?
Yes and no too. Yes, 1, 2, no.
No, you have to look at the three condition. You have to look at the three condition class.
Yes. There. It's yes. Yes.
No, it's a no.
No.
What about dish C? Did it germinate, class?
No,
Did it
too.
germinate? It's also a no. What about for letter D? Did it germinate?
Yes. Yes.
No,
Yes.
because
Little bit
it
no.
has X.
Oh, no.
It's a no.
No.
So only number one,
A
dish
is
A,
winner.
germinate well because
A is
the condition has water, has light, and warm. So only dish A will germinate well. Okay. So question. What does a seed need to germinate? What does a seed need to germinate, class? Do you know? What does a seed need to germinate? Need alay? What do they need? Anyone? Okay, the seed needs this one. Water.
Water. Water.
Okay.
Lights.
Water. Let's try to write number one. Number two.
2. It's light.
Light.
And number 3. It's
And number 3, it's
warm.
warmth. Warmth.
Warm.
Okay, warmth.
Water, light, warm.
Again, what does a seed need to germinate?
Water, light, and warm.
All right, so do you understand? Yes, I
Yes,
do. No, I don't.
Yes, I do.
Oh, Teacher Ja, are you there?
Please not.
Yeah, okay. It's okay, no worries, no problem. All right, so kids, let's proceed to the next page. For those who has a book, you can turn your book to the last page of chapter 3. Okay, this one. Now let's try to familiarize this one, okay? All right, so first is we have to start from the seed. And then seedling, and then adult plant, and then flower,
Teacher, in the chapter 3.
and then fruit. Now let's try to familiarize this one. So I am going to read first, okay? Teacher will gonna read first. Seed germinates into seedling. Seedling grows into adult plant. Adult plant has flower. Flower develops into fruit. Fruit holds and protects seed. Okay, Let me try to call Otto. All right, Otto, let's start with number 1.
C. Seedling.
No.
Germinate.
Read. Okay, read this one.
Germinates into seedling. Grows into adult plant. Has flower. Develops into fruit. Holds and protects seed.
Okay, very good. What about, let me, brave? Brave, it's your turn. You start here. Seeds germinates into.
Seed germinate into seedling. Go into a adult plant. Have flower.
Develops.
Develop into fruit. Hold and
Protects.
protect seed.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Brave. Next, Campi.
Seed germination
Germinates.
germinates into seedling. Grow into seedling. Grows into adult plant. Adult plant has flower. Flower.
Develops.
Develops into fruit. Fruit. Homes and protect seed.
Okay, very good. Otto, Otto, would you be able to explain this in Thai? Can you do it? No? Okay, Bowie, it's your turn.
Then I can do it. I'll just say in the seed.
Germinate.
Germinate into seedling. Grows into adult plant. Has flowers.
Develops.
Develop into fruit. Hold and
Protect what?
protect seed.
Okay, good job. Next, Makai.
Seed germinates into seedling, grow into adult plant, has flower,
Develops.
develops into fruit, holds and protects.
Protects ally.
Protects seeds.
Seed. Okay, very good. Next, perm. Where's perm? Oh, I don't see him. Okay, there you go. Oh, all right, Dukdik. What about Dukdik?
seedling,
Seed.
seeds, seeds, seeds,
Germinates.
germinates into seedling, grow into adult plant,
Okay.
has flowers,
Develops.
develop into fruits, hard and
Protects.
protects seeds.
Okay, very good. Ashita.
Okay. Seed. Germinated into.
Germinates into.
Germinates into. Seedling. Grow into. Adult plant. Has flower.
Develops.
Develop into food, fruits, and proteins.
Seed.
Seed.
Okay, very good. What about perm? Perm, it's your turn.
Seed. Seed. Germinate into seeding. Grow into of
Adult.
Plants. Have flower.
Develops.
Develops into from half and
Protects.
protects
Protects alive.
has this
Okay, holds and protects seeds. Thank you, Perm. All right, what about Tunkao?
seed.
Seeds, germinates, alive. Into. Okay, Namo Neutron.
Seed.
Germinate.
Germinate
Into.
seedling. Go into adult plant. Have flower.
Has flower.
Dairy.
Develops.
food, food, hug and paw,
Protect.
paw, protect,
Protect what?
see,
Okay, thank you. All right, let me call T.
see, this, the, greater in do,
Germinates into
into this thing, go into other part, plant, had flower,
develops
develop into what?
fruit.
What food? Into food.
Holds and protects
Hold and protect
seed.
this.
Okay, thank you, T. Bella. Bella, it's your turn. Bella, you're next.
Look.
Bella, you're next. Okay, Bella, start with number 1.
This
Germinates
humanist
into
to this seeding grow into a gel pants have flower turn
develops
into fruit
holds and protects
and hold and potato protect this.
Oh, very good. Thank you. All right, Gail. Gail, it's your turn. Can you turn on your microphone, please?
Thank you.
You're welcome, Bella. Oh, where's Gail? Okay, I'm gonna call Nemo. Nemo.
Okay, teacher.
All right, ready? 1, 2, and 3.
Seed where the
Germinates
Jiminy into leaves.
seedling
Feeding grow into
grows into
or into
adult
dirt
adult plant.
Adult plant have flower
Develops
develop into flower.
holds and
Wow.
protects
Tap or tap
seed.
seed.
Okay. All right. I want to hear from Otto one more time. Otto, can you read louder? And then everybody listen to Otto, okay? Everyone listen to Otto. Otto, speak louder and speak slowly.
Seed germinates into seedling, grows into adult plant, has flower, develops into fruit, holds and protects seed.
Okay, very good. Now, everybody turn on your microphone. Everybody turn on your microphone. All right, let's start. 1, 2, and 3, go.
Seed germinate into
Okay, very good. Good job. All right, so kids, I want you to practice this one and remember this map, okay? Don't forget this because this is a very big help for you to understand the life cycle of a flowering plant. Okay, so next week we will have a review for chapter 3 in preparation to your final test. All right, so that's all for today, everyone. Thank you, students.
Thank you.
Teacher
Maria.
Maria. Goodbye.
Bye. See you next week, class.
Bye.